For me, the biggest challenge young men facing today is the lack of knowledge for their culture heritage. Most men today enjoy partying and other things, but they don't know what their culture heritage is about. So being here as a Ginoo is not just a title, but to be an inspiration to the Filipinos to stay true to our identity, to our culture, stay proud to our heritage, always appreciative of our arts, and highly esteemed of our tourism. Because I believe that ang Ginoong Pilipinas is the Philippines personified. Daghang salamat.